Hello, friends. Welcome to this quick tip on how to mark spam in Hotmail and Outlook. Recently, like this weekend, Microsoft changed something dramatic in their filtering, their algorithm, or they just flat out got hacked because overnight I went from zero spam almost in my inbox for the last 2 years to over 40. And then I got another 20 since I deleted it this morning. So once you click on the all messages, if there's something you want, you go ahead and you unselect it just to make sure you're keeping the mail you want. And then once you confirm everything else is spam, which in my case, all these are spam, they hid the setting. So when you right click on it, then you can go down to um, block sender or report junk. This is a change they made. So this is how you report junk in Hotmail now. Hope this video helps you. Ciao.